Day one is complete. So if you don't know, this is WIGMAKING101. I'm doing an in-person hands-on course. It's a 3-day workshop. It's from 9 to 5. Anyone is welcome. Does not matter if you know how to sew, don't know how to sew, interested in the wig business, kind of interested in the wig business, already in the wig business, doesn't matter. I'm teaching it hands-on. I'm teaching the basic steps to making these particular wigs here. So you see these wigs right here. This is a frontal. Oh, I have to make it fall. This is LA's frontal. This is a full wig using a 4x4 closure, and we're going to make it as a fringe. And this is a 360 lace cap, which will be a 360 lace wig. All of these are samples that I created because there are tutorials on my online wig making school. WIGMAKING101.com is my online wig making school. And I offer online courses in making wigs and the business behind it, as well as hands-on. So this is my very, very, very first class. No, I'm not new to educating in a class setting like this, whether at home or at a school or anywhere. You guys know I was in South Africa in February training as well. So I'm bringing that here into my home. I prefer to do it here because I like the smaller group. So yeah, this is day one, and they're working on using their sewing machines and actually sewing the wefts onto just fabric for now, just so they can get comfortable with their sewing machines before we start to actually construct wigs. So the first thing they did was prep their caps. So there's adding the closure on, and then the lines that are needed in order to sew the wefts onto the caps. So you may or may not have seen these caps before. If you are my Wig Making 101 student, you've seen these caps before. But if you haven't, these are very amazing caps to use to make wigs with. So yes, and they're making their own types of wigs. So most of the supplies are supplied by me through your tuition for this hands-on course. So yeah, I'm tired. It's like 6:25. Just kind of tidying up a little bit down here, making sure everything is okay for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in class tomorrow.
was raised out of Brooklyn. Met this fly girl out of Brooklyn. Nice little hood thing, draped in designer from her head to her footprint. Nice hair, good skin, she got that good thing. Drove a nigga wild when she told me I was doing it and doing it and doing it well. Putting on the lipstick while she doing her nails, looking like a supermodel when she rolling out. Make a baller wanna empty out his whole account. Oh Lord, if the career right, you could go on fair flight. She be in the club when you popping bottles every night. All about the check like day and night. Shopping on Fairfax, trying to get a gear tight. Looking for a ball player with some long paper to take it to the hole like the brown layer. Before I let her finish at the Kanye, kicked her out the room, told her I'ma call later. Brooklyn.